Guys, there are so many ways you can make money online from your laptop, even from your phone. Another way to make money online is through t-shirt designs. Now you can use websites like canva.com or placeit.net, which is pretty much my favorite one, is placeit.net. You could design a t-shirt, you can use templates on there, create your own design, and here's the kicker. You can upload that to websites like a website like Teespring, teespring.com. Upload your design, you'll get a link, and then you can push that link out to the world. When someone sees your design or like your design, they will buy that shirt, and you will make money off Teespring. The good thing about teespring.com is you don't have to have the t-shirts in-house. It's a print-on-demand website. As people order, they will print it on the shirt or the size that they choose, the type of shirt that they choose, and you set all that up on your account, and they will send it out to them. Now, how can you have a company print out your design on a shirt and send it to them, and you don't have to house the product? Well, this is how that works. They take a small percentage off that shirt sale. That's how they're able to do that, which is a fair deal to me. You can sell t-shirts, several shirts. Some people make upwards of $10,000 to $30,000 or more a month off a t-shirt design. And you can go on teespring.com and you can actually create a storefront on there. So if you have several designs, you can get a link to your storefront and put it out there. Instead of just one t-shirt design, put your storefront out there, and people can see your shirts, order them, whatever size they want. And the beauty of this is you can have other items besides just a t-shirt. You have long sleeve shirts, you have hoodies, phone cases with your design on there to go along with that t-shirt. So you can pretty much have a huge storefront online for free. So we have some people that recommend that you have your own website with your own domain name. Yes, you will want that. That's pretty cool. But for sites like Teespring, print on demand, you don't need an actual website. They do all the hosting for you. So create your storefront, put it out there to the world. And the next video after this, I will be actually taking you on teespring.com and design the shirt with you guys so you can see how it works. I think Teespring's a very good site. T-shirts, hoodies, posters, coffee mugs. They even have masks that you could design now. You could upload your design on masks. So you have a nice catchy design and put on a mask. People are going to flood to buy it. You just got to put it out there. This is a great opportunity for you to make money online. There's always an opportunity. And I am discovering things online, and I will share it as I get it. Now, Teespring is, in my opinion, a great website. I've created designs and ordered for myself. I saw the quality of it, pretty good quality. You have different texture of shirt you can have. You have your comfort tee. You have the Hanes, the Hanes comfort tee. You have the unisex tee. You have the V-necks. You have the women's tee. You have the women's fitted tee. You could do tank tops. You could do baby onesies. It's so much opportunity, so many things you could design on Teespring. Now you can use Canva, Placeit, and there are several other design sites. That's just two that I work with, but those two are my favorites that work very well. I would recommend either one of them to you. That is a good idea to design something we all have ideas. There are causes that you could design for. Like we just had an election, for example. If you for the party that just came in the office, you can create a design around that. Politics are a huge arena to go into if you want to design stuff around that. You can do shirts for firefighters and promote that. You can do shirts for that relates to nursing and upload that to your Facebook. Get into a Facebook group for that niche that you're dealing with or that niche that you're interested in. Create t-shirt designs for that and post it in that group. Someone will see it. You don't even have to promote it as your own if you don't want to. You just put out there and say, hey, this is an awesome design. What do you guys think? And people will check it out. You have customers. You can promote it to so many people. I like to use Facebook groups because it gets things seen. You know, instead of just posting links, you could also use Place It if you design the t-shirts and use a mock-up. Now, we talked about mock-ups before on Place It. A mock-up is on placeit.com where you click on mock-ups and it's actually a model with a blank t-shirt on. You upload your t-shirt design and it shows up on that model, and you can change the color of the t-shirt and it looks like someone is actually wearing your shirt. Now you can take that image, you save that image to your computer, and then you can post it in these Facebook groups with your shirt of your niche, and then you put your link up under that picture. So it looks like someone's actually modeling your shirt. You don't even know this person. You could choose a model on there. You could choose, they have a mock-up where it's just a t-shirt hanging from a clothes hanger. And they got a mock-up of a t-shirt folded up real nice on a nice table. And it looks as if it is in your house like that. That's the beauty of placeit.net. You can use mock-ups to promote your t-shirts. So, with that being said, go out there, guys. Be creative. You have a lot of creative ability. Some of you just don't know it yet. Just tap into that. You know, we all have some creativity in us that we can promote. We could do things online to make money, to supplement our income from our jobs. Some of you might want to leave your jobs. You want to become a full-time freelancer. Now that is a cool opportunity as well, is become a full-time freelancer. And this is one of the ways that you can do it. Build your clientele, network with people, build relationship. And then once you build a decent relationship with people, you can sell about anything. Oh, before I got out of here, one more tip of how to build a following online if you want to sell product. Create you a Facebook page or a Facebook group, and you might have to do the ads, but it will reach people. People will like it. And you get many people like that page as you want to, as long as you're paying for the ad space. And then once you get a huge following on there, you post stuff because you already have your following. You post your product, and that also helps as well. Alright, this has been a great video. Yeah, I just want to talk to you guys about making money online and in the aspect of designing a t-shirt. Get it out there. You know what's coming. The sun's out. You know the weather is going to start shifting a little bit. It start getting warm. So we will be coming out our jackets pretty soon. And we're back to t-shirt season. Some of us been wearing t-shirts all year long, but you get the gist. T-shirts are out, tank tops are gonna be coming out, and this is the opportunity to cash in on that. So let me know what you guys think. Definitely some comments, share the video, like, subscribe, and I will talk to y'all later with some more tips on how to make money online. Actually, my next video will be me going into placeit.net and designing a t-shirt, and then I'm gonna take you over to Teespring and uploading it live for you. That way you can actually see what I'm doing and how to do it, because I want to see you guys win. For you that want to design a t-shirt, I'm here to help you, because we are trying to win. We're trying to make this money online. Alright guys, peace.